Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I turned this into this with just some spray paint and some duct tape.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video, I want to share with you guys a blog post that I put on my blog back in 2014, way before I had YouTube or even thought about having YouTube. And I wanted to bring the pictures and talk about it with you guys today because I know since it's the summertime, a lot of you guys are trying to make over things and do different projects in your home. And this was one of the projects that I loved, that was so easy to make, and I actually remade something that was free. So that's why I'm bringing it to you today and just sharing with you guys my tips on what I did to turn this trash into treasure. I call this project a trash to treasure project because my parents actually found these tables and chairs on the side of the road because somebody was throwing them away. And they grabbed them for me because they knew I love to make over things, because I could love to get free stuff or stuff from the thrift store and make it over into something more beautiful. So the first thing that I did with the table is I just primed it with some regular primer spray paint because it had a lot of scuffs in it, and even though the paint I was using binds to plastic, I didn't trust it, so I wanted to prime it first. So that's the first thing I did with the table, is I just primed it with some regular primer spray paint. Once the primer spray paint was fully dried for 24 hours, then I went in with my black spray paint, and I made sure to buy the spray paints that say that it can bind to plastic or to multi-surfaces. When the paint had dried, I noticed that I wanted to add a little something to this table because I felt like it just being all black was a little bit boring, and I could see the little mark in the middle where the old kind of like paper used to be on the original table. So what I did was I just got some decorative duct tape and I just added a strip of it right in the middle of the table. Then I just painted the chairs a pink to go with not only the colors that are in the tape, but the colors of my daughter's room. And the reason why I chose pink and black is because my daughter was really into pink at that time. And I like to have dark colors when it comes to a playroom or a kid's room, because even though white looks nice in a playroom and we see it all over Pinterest, keeping stuff white is not always so good in a kid's room. So that's why I decided to go with the pink and the black. Now here are some before and after pictures so you guys can see what a transformation spray paint and duct tape can do on something that you found that somebody was throwing away. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you guys some inspiration to either make over things of your own or things that you see people throwing away. Not everything that people throw away is meant to be thrown away. You can definitely pick up things and remake them and make them yours and make them beautiful again. So whenever you see somebody throwing things away, take a second look at it, because maybe you can make it over into something nice for your home. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already, and hit that notification bell, you guys, so you're always notified on all the videos that I put out. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.